What are the best books or resources to learn woodworking? Learning woodworking can be a rewarding and fulfilling pursuit, whether you're a beginner or looking to enhance your skills. There are numerous books and online resources available to help you learn woodworking techniques and gain inspiration for your projects. Here's a list of highly regarded books and resources to get you started. Books: The Complete Manual of Woodworking by Albert Jackson, David Day, and Simon Jennings. This comprehensive guide covers everything from basic woodworking techniques to advanced joinery, making it suitable for beginners and experienced woodworkers alike. The Essential Woodworker: Skills, Tools, and Methods by Robert Waring. This book focuses on fundamental woodworking skills, making it an excellent resource for beginners. It covers essential techniques and provides projects to practice your skills. The Anarchist's Tool Chest by Christopher Schwartz. This book delves into the essential hand tools every woodworker should have and emphasizes the value of hand tool woodworking. It's a great read for those interested in traditional woodworking methods. The Complete Manual of Woodbending, Milled, Laminated, and Steam-Bent Work by Lon Slaning. If you're interested in woodworking techniques involving curved and bent wood, this book provides in-depth knowledge and practical guidance. The Woodworker's Bible, A Complete Guide to Woodworking by Percy Blandford. This comprehensive reference covers a wide range of woodworking topics, including tools, techniques, and projects. It's suitable for woodworkers of all skill levels. The Joint Book: The Complete Guide to Wood Joinery by Terry Knoll. Joinery is a crucial aspect of woodworking. This book provides detailed explanations and illustrations of various joinery techniques, helping you understand how to create strong and precise joints. Online resources. YouTube channels. There are many woodworking YouTube channels offering tutorials, project walkthroughs, and tips. Some popular channels include Wood Whisperer, Paul Sellers, and Steve Ramsey's Woodworking for Mere Mortals. Woodworking forums. Participating in online woodworking forums such as WoodNet, Lumberjacks, and Sawmill Creek allows you to connect with other woodworkers, ask questions, and learn from their experiences. Woodworking blogs. Many experienced woodworkers maintain blogs where they share their projects, techniques, and insights. Reading these blogs can provide valuable knowledge and inspiration. Woodworking courses. Online platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and Coursera offer woodworking courses for various skill levels. These courses often include video lessons, project guides, and interactive assignments. Woodworking podcasts. Listening to woodworking podcasts like Wood Talk and the Woodworking Podcast can provide you with valuable insights, tips, and discussions about woodworking techniques and tools. Remember that hands-on practice is essential in woodworking. As you learn from books and online resources, be sure to apply the knowledge by working on small projects and gradually challenging yourself with more complex tasks.